Hi friends! So I just wanted to make a really fast video showing you how to remove your nails. I don't want to waste your time. This is going to take like maybe 2 minutes. So I used cuticle oil. I threw some in some warm water. Now I'm going to put it on my nails. Ignore the nail that I already took off. I know it looks ratchet. Gonna soak it in there for like 10, 15-ish minutes. And while it's in there, I'm kind of going to press my fingers down. As you can see I'm doing, I'm like pressing them down so they kind of start to lift from the cuticle. And soakity, soak, soak, soak. I'm so annoying. Holy hay. Anywho, after I did that, I removed my hands. I'm going to grab my little tool that you can actually find on my website, goldengales.ca. It's actually a cuticle pusher, but it works perfectly for removing your nails. Oh my gosh, magic, magic. I used to use my teeth. Ghetto. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm just going to lift the nails. It should be easy to lift. So if it's a little bit hard, you want to soak your nails a little bit longer. That looked incredibly difficult. I swear it was not. And also in real life, I soaked my hands for maybe 5 minutes. Um, yep, we're going to do all of them. I'm kind of going around the nail. Around, around, around. Look at me. Like, honestly, a champion. Like, no, maybe not a champion right here, but watch it come off. Watch. Ah, woo! Look at me. I was going to use this one again, and then I think I'm going to go ahead and instead show you how to do it. If you don't have this tool, I'm using my laundry card. Look at that. Magic. You always make it work. Always. Just gonna lift, go around the entire. It's kind of like a flexible card. It's not super super hard. Wow, magic. Now the thumb. I went back to the tool because this tool honestly is amazing. It helps better than the laundry card since the thumb can be a little bit harder for some reason for me to take off. Yay! Okay. We're done. We did it. We did it. We removed our nails. That's really it. You just need either a card or a tool, some cuticle oil if you have, and some bowls of warm water. Just soak it in there and remove it. And you can actually reuse these nails. I'm about to wash those bad boys right back off, and maybe we'll wear them next weekend. Have a good day, guys. Bye.